Hey friends! Try it again. Hey friends! So, you may see my cute kitty sugar dumpling coming through here. Come here, baby. You want to say hi to our friends? Oh, she is. She's shaking stuff up for y'all. Well, I forgot to do a thumbnail. Come here, baby. You want to lay in my lap? This little cutie patootie. My camera's acting wonky. So, well, it's not my camera. It's the tripod. So, I need to buy a new one. Yes, check it out. Make it yours. This is her second time here today. Okay, question. My mom said that, because, okay, hi, welcome, I talk a lot. It may not be for you, and that's fine, I don't need to hear about it. Anyways, I feed the stray cats in my neighborhood because, why would you not? Anyways, we have one, Sushi Mittens. Mother trucker started spraying, not in our house. Actually, a cutie, hi baby. This beautiful creature of lovely goodness that I'm so allergic to, but I do so much, tolerates me. And she comes in because my son is a cutie patootie and taught her how to use our doggy door. You want to get in my lap again, honey? No? Okay. You do whatever you want. Anyway, she hasn't, knock on wood, like sprayed or anything, but Sushi Mittens has. And I thought, because Sushi Mittens was so tiny, I thought Sushi was a girl. Anywhoosy whatsies, my mom said, I think only boy cats spray. And I'm like, well, I don't know. So I brought it to y'all because y'all are flipping geniuses over here and have taught me so much about my kitty cat. That's not my kitty cat, but I would love for her to be my kitty cat. Sorry, I'm silencing everything. So let me know, do girl cats spray or only boy cats? I don't know. I'm pretty sure she's a girl. She's kind of shown things on the interwebs, and you guys have told me you thought she was a girl. Anyways, welcome to the channel where I talk a lot. I appreciate you guys. If you hear the sniffling and me itching and my eyes and the hair floating around, it's because I'm allergic to her, but I love her and I'm sucking it up. So yeah, anyways, she's a magical, beautiful creature. I love her so much. And I'm like, can you just stay in the house forever? She doesn't want to. I've got her locked in right now. Okay, I'm talking. I can't help it. It's like my kids. I talk a lot about my kids. No, the kitty cat, that's not my kitty cat. Anyways, we are unboxing my Boxycharm by Ipsy box. This just arrived, and I was actually out in Vegas at the Creators and Friends event, so I missed it, which if your girl could remember her passwords, I would have logged in and made my choice. Turns out I can't remember nothing, so anywho, it arrived. It's really tiny, and I'm not very hopeful, and I'm a little sad. So, why am I sad? I'm not sad. I'm just, the disappointment's there because I feel like if the box is bigger, it's going to be juicier, but who knows. Anyway, shout out and thank you to my YouTube members for helping to support the channel. Thank you to those of you that are, there's different levels when it comes to my YouTube membership, and I just want to say thank you to those of you that have been watching. You get to pre-watch my content before it goes live, and I'm so excited. And I had to say thank you to you guys because we've been chit-chatting here and there on the comment section, and it's really cool that it's actually working. So a lot of the times before it goes live over here on YouTube, some of my YouTube members are getting to watch everything early, and we get to actually chat, and I can actually see comments, and it's really cool. So thank you as well to those of you clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel. I greatly appreciate it. And those of you who are returning and sharing my videos over on Facebook, can I just say thank you? I so appreciate you guys so much. I know, that's adorable, right? I know, we got to work on the tree too. When my husband gets back home, I have been swamped since we came back home. He's going to help me with the tree. Sorry, here goes the nose. I can't help it. I love that cat. And yes, I know I could take my Zyrtec, but I keep forgetting. Anyways, this is a monthly subscription. You typically get customized, actually 3 items in the box. I've customized nothing. So, oh my Lord Jesus, can I get an amen, baby? We got the foam. I'm so excited. I think enough of us have complained about the paper that is typically in here that they're finally like, can y'all just hush? Here's your foam. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So we do get a pamphlet in here, and I don't really read it. Member perks, build your box, power picks, epic deals, whatever, whatever. I still don't understand it. I know a lot of y'all are geniuses and do, so good for you. Okay, so the first item I see in here is the Color Boss Squad. Shoot, I was hoping to get the pink one. But this is by El Maquillage. I actually already own this, so I'll put it in a giveaway for you guys. Wait. This is the one I wanted, I think. I don't think this is the one I have. I have the brown one. Yay! Okay, so I was really hoping to get this one because the El Maquillage shadows, if you guys haven't tried them, they're bougie, they're nice, they're creamy, and they're blendable, and they're really nice. I'm 99% sure this is the one that I was wanting. Oh my gosh. You guys, they are so buttery soft. Like, look at that. Yeah, gorgeous. 10 out of 10. I really like that. That is so pretty. Hold on, I don't want to, oh no, I don't want to get that all over the place. Do you like my hoodie? It's like a Lululemon style hoodie, but it's not $128. No, it's not. It's from Amazon, and it is it was on sale for like $23 maybe. It's a little zip up hoodie. Even has the little holes for your thumbs. I love it. I will link it for you guys. If it's not linked, it'll be in my Amazon storefront. So thank you guys. Anything I can make an affiliate code, I'm going to do that. All right, so that's the first item, and I don't know the retail value because there's no card that really, wait, why is it showing up over here? See, that's where I get confused. Like, I'm not a power picker, right? I don't know. I paid like $35 after tax. Yeah, okay, so there was two I guess you maybe could have picked from, or they could have picked from for you. And I really wanted this one, so yay, because I do have that one. I think I have an extra one, so I'll put it in a giveaway for you guys. The next item in here is the Double Dipper Color Duo by Half Baked Cosmetics. Can I just say that box is so cute? I'm sorry, but I don't know. Maybe I'm just like crazy immature, but I love fun things like this. I just think it's so pretty and vibrant. Alright, so this is a compact. It's like a plastic little compact. This is, I think it's a bronzer and highlighter maybe. I'm doing laundry, guys. Sorry if you guys hear that. It's in Siesta Key. I'm gonna go ahead and pass this along because I don't think that's gonna work for me. But I do like the compact part of it. I mean, like, look at this. Even the sticker. Uh-oh, my battery's dying. Even the sticker is cute back there. And can I just say, neither is broken. Thank you, Boxycharm by Ipsy. Alright, next in here I have a set of MOTD cosmetic brushes. These are nice. I'm gonna probably pass these along though, because the blinged brushes, have you guys seen the latest collection, the enchantment collection? Oh, they're gorgeous. I love them. They're 20% off with code HOTMESS. Heck yeah. All right, next in here we've got the Ella Badro. My camera may die, guys, so don't worry. I'm hoping it doesn't, but okay. So, ooh, okay, it's a liner. Oh, it's a lip liner. That's nice. I like it. It's a nudie kind of color. All right, and the last in here, we've got the iconic London Enrich and Elevate mascara. Can I just tell you guys, I have fallen in love with the ABH mascara. It has like fibers in there or something. It's got to be nourishing because I swear to you guys, I feel like the ABH mascara has made my lashes like grow. Yeah, okay, so there's the mascara. I have not tried, I don't think I've tried this one. So it's kind of got like the bent wand. I don't know, I really like that ABH one. That's going to be a hard one to top. Alright, I'm going to hop off because my battery is dying. So that is everything in my box. It isn't my favorite, but I will say for not getting to pick anything, I'm actually happy that I got a hair on me. that it's not like the leftover stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, yes, I'm going to be gifting stuff, but I will also be using these products for sure. So thank you, Ipsy or Boxycharm, whatever. I've got a cat hair on me. Thank you guys for not breaking my stuff and giving me back the foam that Boxycharm used to give us. I love it, and it matches the box perfectly. It's beautiful. Anyways, friends, I'm gonna go play with the kitty cat. That's not my kitty cat. All information, if you want to sign up, will be down below. The jacket will be linked as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and shout out to my YouTube members, to those of you clicking thanks, and those of you just sticking around. Check me out on my other channels, TikTok and Instagram at Hotmess Momma. And until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. I was rushing because I was so afraid this battery was gonna die, but it didn't. It's a great day today. My Bengals also won. Okay, bye.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around.